Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for International Day of Persons with Disabilities. And the script is: when you focus on someone's disability, you will overlook their abilities, beauty, and uniqueness. Once you learn to accept and love them for who they are, you subconsciously learn to love yourself unconditionally. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. Today, more than 1.3 billion people experience significant disability, which represents 16% of the global population. And it is interesting that 3rd of December has been selected as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Well, my name is Rumit. On the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities, I am presenting today's morning assembly. May the children with disabilities be blessed with strength to overcome challenges. In support of World Disability Day, let us pray to God for them. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, we all are equal. All the citizens are our brothers and sisters as we need to help them. Pledge reminds us our duties and responsibilities towards our nation. And it's time to take pledge. For this, I invite on stage Gunjan from class 7. And after pledge, the power of the human spirit has the power to turn the impossible into possible. It's necessary to remind ourselves, to remind people that the power of the human spirit is one of ability, perseverance, and courage that no disability can steal away. With this, let us move to the next, that is thought of the day. For this, I invite on stage Nitya from class 6. Good morning to all. My name is Nitya. Thought of the day is: concentrate on the abilities your disability doesn't hinder and don't dwell on the things it interferes with. Be disabled physically, not in spirit. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much, Nitya. If we are well aware of the current world happenings, we'll be easily sharing our thoughts and also get to know other personal opinions. And news helps us to be a knowledgeable person. Let's get know today's news headlines with Swapnil from class 8. Thank you very much, Swapnil. This day is about promoting the rights and well being of persons with disabilities at every level of society. This day is to raise awareness of the situation of persons with disabilities in all aspects. Let us know more about this day, and I invite on stage Reet from class 7th to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Reet. General knowledge adds lots of perspective to our understanding of different things. It helps us stand out from the rest of the people of the same race. It's what makes us different. Let's get check and enhance our knowledge with today's GK quiz. For this, I invite on stage Riddhi from class 7. Thank you very much, Riddhi, for testing and enhancing our general knowledge. Dear friends, this day is always a good reminder to make this world a better place for people with disabilities. Let us be more responsible and aware of such people and treat them with good behavior. Now it's time to give respect and honor to the country through national anthem. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation.